Hey everyone, Chief Meteorologist Jeff George. Again, we are partnering with Mad Science to bring you science and weather you can do at home. So with me again today is Miles and Derek from Mad Science. Guys, what do you have for us today?
That's a great question. You know, Miles has been working on something here in the lab, and I'm just gonna, I don't know. Miles, what do you have for us?
Well, we are going to defy gravity by making water rise up.
That's not gonna work.
Oh, but it is.
Okay, show me.
Well, first I have to pump up the glass to make it bigger.
What is this thing called? This glass tubey science thing?
Flask.
A flask, okay.
Let me just pump up the flask.
He's trying to make it bigger. It's not gonna work.
Well, I mean, you always do this, and it seems to make the experiments work better.
Oh, okay, whatever.
Will you please put this on top of the candle?
Put this on top of the candle.
Other way?
Oh, you mean upside down?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
And watch the water rise.
The water's gonna rise. Wow! That's amazing.
Yes, it is.
That's remarkable. That's magic.
Actually, it's science.
Huh. Well, how did that work?
Actually, I don't know.
Oh, hey guys, I think I can take it from here. Thank you very much. Great question. And again, you know, we don't do magic here. This is all science, and science and weather are related. So what happens is that when you heat up that bottle and that flame inside the bottle, heat expands, and that creates an area of high pressure in the bottle. When you have lack of oxygen, of course, that flame will go out, and the air inside the bottle cools down, and the air also shrivels up, and it creates a vacuum near the top of the bottle right here. And that starts to pull the air and the water up into the bottle. That's how low pressure works. It works the same way outside, like when a low pressure system comes over Oklahoma. That's what helps to make the clouds and the rain and the thunderstorms. Sometimes good weather, sometimes bad weather. And guys, this was another great explanation. Anything you guys want to add to us today or add for us?
You can do this at home. It's really simple. Make sure you ask your mom or dad first. Get a pan of water, put some quarters in it, then a little tea light candle, and use any glass jar. Light the candle, put the glass jar on top, and see what happens.
Wait, don't forget to blow it up.
That's what we got for you, Mr. George.
Wow, that's simple stuff, and it's great stuff, and this is science, but you don't have to be a scientist to do this. You know, even though Miles and Derek are great at what they do, and you can also tell it's a lot of fun besides everything else. Guys, I can't thank you again. We're going to be back with you soon. Now, if anyone at home wants to learn some more experiments, I mean, how can we learn that from you? Online, maybe?
That's great. Just go to our Facebook page, which of course is Mad Science Oklahoma City, and we're going to have some things up there that you can do right at home. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Miles, Derek, thanks a lot so much, and yeah, we'll be back with you soon with more weather and science.